Hey there, welcome to the last video in our tutorial series. In the last video, we went over sending emails in Opendashboard. In case you missed it, please go over it and return here to continue. Today, we would be putting together all we've learned so far to show you how to use Opendashboard as an organization. We would be creating a workspace using an HR agency as a use case. This HR agency has the following needs: manage job and staff recruitments for their partner organizations, manage contracts between partner organizations and the people they hire, handle onboarding of new hires for their partner organizations. To set this up in Opendashboard, we would be creating databases for jobs to manage job postings and the life cycle of the job applications to manage job applications and move candidates across the different stages of the process, contracts to manage contracts of newly employed hires, projects to manage projects assigned to hires, tasks to manage tasks under the projects. To help speed things up, we've used an LLM to create databases as a CSV file that can easily be imported to our workspace. We'll start with jobs. We create the job database and import the CSV file into the workspace. We do the same thing for the other databases. In the job application database, we'll also add an AI column with an appropriate prompt that'll help us review and give us a summary of the application. To enable people to apply for the job, we create the form from the job application database. Publish the form. We demo someone filling in the application. We also create the board view for the team to manage both the job and the job applications. We also set up a dashboard for the jobs. We'll see how many recent applications and other interesting stats. We then set up a wiki for an onboarding checklist and guide for new team members. With that setup, let's walk through an end-to-end flow of how this can be used by the HR agency. A job applicant will fill in the job application form. The team members uses AI to review the application and then move the applications to interviewing or rejected. If a candidate is successfully interviewed and gets the job, a new contract is created in the contract database, with the actual contract uploaded as a file. The person will be added to the workspace with the guidebook and onboarding checklist being shared with the person. Tasks can be assigned to the person, which will be visible on the person's tasks page and dashboard. Other pages and views can be created as needed. This marks the end of the tutorial series. We hope it has been very informative. If you have questions, reach out to us on our social media or contact us via our email at hello@opendashboard.co.